All right, welcome back everyone. We're bouncing along here on some dirt roads in northern Arizona on this brisk December morning. We've got some overcast today and some snow up on the peaks, but down here it's pretty nice, although it is a bit chilly. Over here on my right, we've got the White Horse Hills, which we've climbed. And then over to my left here, we've got Saddle Mountain, which is where I'm headed today. So Saddle Mountain is part of one of the NASMAT routes. It's got a really scenic road that goes up to the summit. And I thought we would come out here today and bring the drone, see if we can get some fun scenic footage as we climb up the mountain. So that is where we're headed. We'll be there in just a few minutes. It's just around this corner to the start of the road. So let's get over there and start making our way up the climb, and hopefully we don't run into any ice along the way. That would certainly dampen the mood a little bit. All right, let's get over there. It's nice to be just decompressing a little bit. We had our graduation ceremony yesterday at the university, and so other than submitting some grades, I'm off the hook for about a month until we start spring semester. So it feels good to just get a little time out here in the woods, even if it is very cold. Oh, that is one heck of a drop off. Do not want to get caught down in there. All right, let's try this. I've got the remote mounted. No idea how well this is gonna work. But we're gonna try it. there's a section of the road up here that will go around the north side of the mountain that might be snowed in. So we'll see when we get there. Man, we are getting some stunning views. Kendrick Peak in the distance there. All right, here's where we're going to come around the north face of this mountain, and we might get presented with some ice, depending on how much they got here in this part of the wilderness. Oh, and I called that. Let's see how bad this would have been. You know, if I would have stayed in the lane, it's probably not too bad, but you know, there's quite a bit of ice, and it is slick. I would not have been thrilled to have to go down this, because hitting some of these ice patches, I feel like just a recipe for disaster. So, well, I mean, we're basically there. You can see the towers through the trees over there. The summit is just right there. So we're actually probably not very far down from the summit, because it's got sort of two peaks. That's hence the name, Saddle Mountain. And the saddle is right in there. So we're actually on one of the high points of the mountain. And if you look across to the trees, the towers are almost at the same level. So maybe 100 feet higher. So I think that's a successful ride. Ooh, gotta get that visor down. It is cold. I'm just gonna very carefully make my way down. I always try to go down this descent too fast, and I inevitably hit some kind of loose patch that tries to take the bike out from underneath me. So I think I'm just gonna play it safe. I'm kind of digging this eerie overcast vibe we got going on today. All right, let's head out. Roll out, Transformers. All right, so we do have a cattle gate we're gonna have to go through up here. This gate is janky. Look at this amazing dual track. This really is one of my favorite sections of the Nazmat rides right here. It's just so like cruisy. And I don't know, something special about it, even though you're going through this like really old burn scar here. It's just a cool little stretch. Oof. It's pretty loose right now though, I will say. Oh yeah, I do remember this little technical bit in here. Little rocky bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we just got to get back out to the highway here. Let's warm up for a moment and get ready to freeze our tails off as we make our way back on Highway 180 here. Woo! All right, time to freeze. I had a nice day today out in the woods, riding up Saddle Mountain and just decompressing a little bit. We all need to do that from time to time. So thanks for following along. Take care, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.